This year when I needed birthday balloons for my daughter in our annual balloon tradition, I grabbed this set. I was looking for some non-standard colors, and so I really love these bright colors instead of like pastels or just primary colors. And then I just wanted to show these two. So they're not exactly the same. One's more shimmery and one's more matte, but they're very similar. And then there's the fun confetti balloons. So they look like this. They have little rubber bands on the end so the confetti doesn't fall out, so they're a little harder to blow up, but it is possible. And then we used some on this birthday sign that we did for her. So we took them to our local store and had helium put in them, and you can see the bright colors are just so fun. Now, a little warning, and this probably isn't true everywhere, but we wanted them to blow up a couple of the confetti balloons with helium, and they just wouldn't do it for us. They said a lot of confetti balloons will clog of their helium spout. I don't think these would, because you can see that the confetti is super large, so it's not tiny, but we weren't able to get any of those with helium in them. But super fun, really bright, fun colors, and I like the size.